Hey everybody, here it is. I told you I was getting a bread maker, and I'm gonna unbox it here for you. Would you like to see me unbox it? I would. Never made bread in my kitchen, did I? Oh, I had those frozen loaves. I thawed them out and baked them. They smell good, but can't be nothing compared to fresh, homemade baked bread. Any style. I'm gonna be a baker. This is an Aicok bread maker. Look at this, it's beautiful. There it is. Aicok, you remember we had a bunch of Aicok appliances. They're always great quality. Pressure cookers, food processor. Look at this, stainless steel. Aicok Home Essentials, live comfortable. Nice. Let's open this up. You can't wait, can you? Instruction manual. Mixer. See, it mixes the dough. It kneads the dough. It has other features that I never saw a bread maker have, like a fruit and nut dispenser. I read a little bit about it before I got it. Like it'll dispense a certain amount of nuts or fruits or whatever you're going to add to your bread. We can get fancy. Oh, it's nice looking. I sure do need a bigger kitchen though. That's coming next week. You never know. Oh. Nice box, securely packaged. The unveiling. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Look inside there. I never used a real bread maker. You did though. We're gonna learn about it, see what's in here. Measuring cup, some kind of tool. It's done. I'm gonna see what that is. All right, a smaller measurer. Maybe that's for your yeast or whatnots. That's a nice mixing blade, I would assume. But again, I'm going to read the instructions. Aicok, 24-month extension warranty. That's nice. Yeah, you register this with one click at aicok.cc/register and get free extra 24 months limited warranty. Nice window up top, you can see what's going on. Nice menu. Bread, basic bread, French bread, whole wheat bread, sweet bread, low sugar bread, rice flour bread, quick bread, Italian bread, gluten-free bread, dough, pizza dough, that's going to be great. Italian dough, dough rise, special, ferment, defrost, yogurt, pickled veg, am I reading that right? Pickled veg, dough, jam, bake, roast nut, meat floss. Oh, I always wanted that. Rice vinegar, cake, Italian cake. And there's a menu of the icons that light up over here. Let's look at the book quick. Hopefully there's a basic bread recipe. Yeah, this is a hook. I'm going to learn it. Measuring spoon, measuring cup, kneading blade, like I said. Introduction of control panel. All right, all the different ways to make all the different types of breads. Pickled vegetables, all right. Making pickled vegetable paste. We're going to learn about that. Delay function, that's nice. Delay time up to 13 hours. So you could set this before work and come home and have fresh baked bread. Here we are, there's the recipes. All right, look at this. Sweet bread, low sugar bread, Italian dough bread. Oh. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just plug it in so you can see it light up and see how cool it looks. Then I'm gonna study these instructions, which I always do. Am I boring you?
No.
This is exciting. This is
exciting.
My first bread maker ever.
I can't wait to taste some bread.
And when I study the instructions later tonight or this afternoon, I'm gonna make my first loaf of bread. And it's gonna smell so good. Let me plug this in. Plugging it in. Beep. Oh, that's a good sign. Let me see. All right, there's the nice little icons there. All right, I can go through the menus and the times change, see? Sweet bread, low sugar bread, rice bread, all right, and the times change. That's gonna be nice. Up to a 2-pound loaf I can make as well. All right, start, stop, all right. I'm gonna read about it. Like I said, it's really beautiful. That fits in there securely, that clamps on. That's where you're gonna do all your kneading. Put the blade, the dough blade in there, the kneading blade. That only goes one way, so you can't mess that up. And it's gonna mix the dough, knead it, rise, and bake. All in this one beautiful Aicok bread maker. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you're as excited as I am, because I'm really excited. Fresh bread coming up. Gonna eat a lot of bread. All right, and you're gonna use it too, right? Make something fancy, probably?
Absolutely.
Oh, I can't wait to see.
I know. It'll be great.
It's really nice. Not too big.
Yeah, it's really a good size.
Stainless steel, FDA certified. I read that there. What else did I read about it? I read a lot about it. Yeah, it's 25 programs. Large LED display, 1 knob operation, fruit and nut dispenser, which is back here. I didn't show you that. Say you want nut bread or something, put them in there, put that in, and certain times through the mixing, it'll release those. Now, I didn't even read it yet, so. But anyway, that's pretty simple to understand. What else does it have? All right, it says it bakes breads in about 2 hours. The timer can be programmed to delay up to 13 hours. And 60 minutes of keep warm. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. It's gonna be exciting. Stay tuned, because my next video is gonna be a nice fresh loaf of bread in my Aicok bread maker. In the meantime, check the link down below. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you soon. Can't wait.